Hi everyone, welcome back to Jady Kreativ. Today's video is a little different, because there's no sewing or embroidery this time. Instead, I'm going to show you 9 drawstring knots for hoodies and pants. That most people don't know, but once you learn them, you might start using them all the time. Some of these knots are sliding and adjustable, while others are simple decorative knots that can make your drawstrings look a little more interesting. They all can help keep your drawstrings neat and secure. Alright, let's get started. We've just tried 2 sliding knots. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there are also other knots that can help shorten your drawstrings and decorate them a little. So stay with me, there are still a few more knot ideas to try. What do you think about this 4-leaf clover knot? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to hear what you think. And next, let's try a simple bow knot that works nicely for pants. And finally, I'll show you a few hoodie drawstring knots that are both neat and stylish, and I think you'll really like them. Keep watching and try them along with me. That's all 9 simple drawstring knots for hoodies and pants. Which one do you like the most? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share them in the comments. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here and for your kind support. And before we finish, I'd like to share a small tip on how to rethread a drawstring if it accidentally slips out. I hope it will be helpful for you. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.